It's liver pudding, y'all, not scrapple. Right? It looks good, man.
Liver pudding tastes like scrapple.
Bojangles. Here we go with that bubble biscuit. All right, y'all, we are in Myrtle Beach. We are at the Crown Reef Hotel. All right? Zach know where he's sleeping. Sometimes I gotta look. Oh, I'm by the air. I should give him the air. He likes being cooler, but nah, I'll be by the window. Nah, you good. I'm not switching. That's what we're gonna make the magic happen right there. It's a little editing. Let's go see how the view is. No smoking or vaping. I know it says vaping, but it's vaping. I'm ready to hit the water. Y'all know I love the water, man. This is the view. Myrtle Beach. Emerald green water. People moving in, people moving out. The tide look like it's out of it, I guess. Or maybe it's in. That sand look hot. They got a water slide here. This is a resort. They have the big pool. They have several pools here though. But that's one pool right there. And they have the lazy river right there. Look, y'all, they got the Woodhaven Pancake House. Breakfast is served all day. They got liver pudding. Did y'all just see that sign that said Nessie's liver pudding? All right, y'all, I'm about to go in the Woodhaven Pancake House and see what tasty morsels. Zach said he's not hungry, but how many of y'all want to bet that he's gonna eat something? Look, they said it looked like they got liver pudding. I want to try some liver pudding and some pancakes and some sausage and some eggs. Let's check it out. Zach in here. Pretty big in here. Move in a little bit. Just a little big in here. Here we go, here we go. We got the grits right there. We got the sausage. And we got the scrapple. Scrapple. Right? It's scrapple. No, it's liver pudding. That's liver pudding, y'all, not scrapple. Right? It looks good, man. The grits look like they're a little hard on top. Yeah, the sausage looks good. Nice sausage patties. That's real butter right there on top of those pancakes. And I got, you know, like, once again, right, restaurants that just put the cheese on top. Like, when you say scramble with cheese, scramble them jokers up. Put the cheese in there, scramble them up. I'm going into the liver pudding.
Oh, liver pudding tastes like scrapple. Look at that. That liver pudding tastes just like scrapple, y'all. Once again, the eggs, man, they could have did me some justice on the cheese. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Let's stir up the grits. It's not a lot of butter in them grits. Let's see if the grits are nice and creamy. Yeah, the grits are nice and creamy. I was gonna use my Carolina forks, but I'm gonna try to be a little proper. Watch. We're gonna get this done, y'all. I like to put my sausage in the grits. That's some sagey country sausage. Look, y'all. Zach got hash browns. He says corned beef hash. He is absolutely right. Let's get into these pancakes. Traditional breakfast, y'all. I don't like getting too exotic on my breakfast. The pancakes are really fluffy. They have a little crunch on the edge, just a little crunch. And as I bit into them, I wish I had some milk. Let's put some of the sausage on there. Some of the liver pudding right there. And a little bit of the eggs. Y'all see how I'm packing this up, right? A little bit of the eggs right there. We're gonna stick that all the way through. Look at that right there, y'all. We're gonna eat all of that. We're here at the Woodhaven Pancake House and they have some delicious pancakes. Just let me say, delicious buttermilk pancakes. If I could do it again, I would get the pancakes and the liver pudding. And that's it. I love you, cats. On to the next one.
Let me see. The pancakes were delicious. I keep saying Scrapple, but it wasn't Scrapple, even though it tastes like Scrapple. The liver pudding was delicious. And what else? And yeah, and the sausage was good. But if I could do it again, I would have just got the pancakes and the liver pudding. All of that came to like $46. And it just seems like $46 is too much for breakfast. And anyway, on to the next one. Chadbourne, North Carolina. We on the back roads, y'all, today. We on these back roads. Bojangles. We about to go to Bojangles. I'm gonna go get 2 wings and a biscuit. And maybe some green beans. I need some greens in my life. Some green beans. We are in Virginia. We just got in Virginia traveling north. I like this little sign they got back here too. It says Bo. Bo, right there. Bojangles. Nobody's in here but me. Oh, y'all, look at that chicken. I'm gonna get them fried chicken wings right there, y'all. Look at that. Oh, we got the Bojangles box right there. That was $11.78, y'all. I got 3 wings, a biscuit, and some green beans. Bojangles! They got that Bojangles! Got that biscuit, man. Got that chicken. Got them green beans. Oh, look, almost got that juice on Zach. Got the green beans right there. Tip it up a little bit, Zach, so you go over the green beans. Yeah, go ahead. I asked for 2 pieces of chicken. He said, I'm gonna give you a 3-piece, but there's actually 4 pieces in here. The Bojangles hot sauce too. They got their name on everything, man. All right. I think I've been to Bojangles before. If I did, I'm gonna put the episode here. Don't you remember going to Bojangles? We were down south somewhere. Zach said yes. Oh yeah, let's check it out. I don't want to drip on them. Nice and crunchy. This is the original one. Not too big. I don't like my wings too big. But it's good. I like my wings a little bit more juicier though. Okay, let's go for the biscuit. The biscuit is hefty. Looks delicious, man. I got a little hot sauce on it, but that's okay. We got Zach working on the camera, y'all. He earning his keep. Here we go with that Bubba biscuit. Tastes like a buttermilk biscuit, man. That's a good biscuit. Trivia question. What's the spoon and the fork all in one called? Is it called a spork? Green beans, man. These look like the green beans that we used to, hold on. Oh, that green bean juice was pretty good. These look like the green beans we used to get when we were in grade school. Zach, y'all get green beans in school?
Yes.
They look like this, don't they?
Kind of.
I know.
All string beans look like that.
Zach said all string beans look like this. Some of them look softer. I mean, these are like perfectly round. They're not overcooked. They taste just like the green beans from high school too. And grammar school.
Yeah. It tastes nice and healthy. They don't taste nasty. But they're definitely not seasoned. I mean, that's not true. They are seasoned a little bit. This is your man, Matt DV, man, out here on this interstate. We trucking, man. We trucking down the road. We gonna keep on trucking. Nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong people. Love you, cats. See you at the next one. Peace. Yeah, it could have been a little bit more juicier. Could have been a little more juicier. All right. See y'all later. Look at the old church building clock, brown, slated roof.